Alright, so the hour it's over. Start being hot outside, and I think it's time for me to go to the beach. I'm going to have a shower, change, and take my skateboard, and I'm gonna go to the beach. Alright, let's do it. So cool, I think I get everything what I need. And my backpack and my skateboard with me. So this is where the beach is. I'm waiting to my friend to arrive. What I'm gonna do, I'm going on the boardwalk to ride my skateboard. So it's gonna be a really nice ride. But before, let's have some water. And let's go. So we are back here, and this was a short boat walk, skateboard riding. I'm waiting for my friend, so I have to pick her up from the subway, and then my other friend Joey is coming, so it's gonna be fun. Alright, see you guys soon. Alright, so we are at the beach with my friend Joey.
What's up, Papi? How you doing?
And with Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Say hello to everybody. What do you have here?
I have a cheese pizza and Coronas all to
What?
myself. Yeah, just all for me.
You're not gonna share with us?
I don't think so.
Really?
Maybe just a little bit.
Joey, show me your body, baby.
Huh?
Ooh, look at that.
You got me all shy, baby.
You look like you are working out, man.
A little bit, a little bit.
This is my lifeguard. Papi.
You got a personal delivery man and
Personal
lifeguard.
delivery, look at this. And my lifeguard. What I'm gonna do with you, man?
What are you gonna do without me?
Oh yeah. Where is the other guy? He didn't answer you?
No.
The other guy is not in. If you guys don't know him, maybe you're gonna
No,
know
let
him
me text
tomorrow.
him.
What's up, bro?
What's up, Papi? How you doing?
What's going on?
What's up?
Alright, man. What's going on with your career?
My career?
Yeah. You still wrestling?
Still wrestling, baby.
Yeah?
But see, it's COVID, so we gotta make our own things up.
Yeah?
We can't do in New York City in front of a crowd,
That's true, man.
so we gotta be resourceful and shoot our own stuff.
So
And I
tell
got
me.
some things in the works.
Alright, so tell me, you're gonna challenge, who you gonna challenge now?
I
Who you
can't
gonna...
tell you that.
Wow.
I can't.
It's a surprise?
It's a surprise.
Where you gonna wrestle? Where?
I can't even tell you that because it's a surprise too.
Really?
Can't.
I'm
I
gonna tell you where.
But
Online.
oh yeah, online. Because you can't buy the ticket to the event, but you can subscribe.
I know. So Joey is a professional wrestler. Joey
What's
Ace?
up? Yeah, Joey Ace.
Joey Ace. Whoa, it's a professional
Wait, hold
wrestler.
on, Papi.
What's going on?
I haven't seen you in like a week. I miss you.
I miss you too, bro.
Let's flip the script and ask you some questions.
Alright.
Yo, how long have you known me?
Alright, take the camera. Alright, flip the screen. Alright, and ask me. Let's go, baby.
Yeah. Wait. So how long you been in America, Papi?
I'm in America for 10 years.
10 years. Where you moved here from?
From Romania.
Ah.
Ooh,
But wait,
Dracula.
hold on. Not a lot of people know. But you were an Olympian
Oh no. It was just
did-
bullshit, you know.
No, it's not bullshit. I've seen the videos
No,
and
no.
I've seen the pictures, Papi.
It was just for fun, you know.
No,
Yeah, fine.
no, don't be modest. Look at this man. This man is yoked up. This man is jacked. This man is
Joey, hey, I'm gonna play with you. I'm gonna wrestle you one day.
Ooh, wait, slow down there, Papi. Slow down. There's no ring.
There's no
you
ring,
want
man.
to do a bash at the beach right
Oh,
now,
yeah,
Papi?
Let's do it, man. Let's do it.
Someone else who's in this little trip with
Yeah,
us.
man. Yeah, our friend. Look at her. She's so
She's
beautiful,
like
man.
one of the most beautiful women on this beach right now. And I'm about to turn the camera, but I'm waiting for her thumbs up.
Thumbs up, yeah.
Boom! How you doing, boo?
I'm doing so good.
How you doing? How you know Alex? What's up? Tell me the story.
We met at Temple Gym.
Where is your friend, man?
Which one?
Where is your friend?
Which
your,
one?
Your best friend.
My best friend?
Who is your best
My
friend?
best friend, Nahin.
Nahin, man.
He's
where is-
ignoring me right now.
Why?
Nahin, you ignoring me, Papi.
Nahin, where you are, bro?
Where are you, Pa?
Oh my
You
God.
know what? You know what? I'm gonna FaceTime him
FaceTime me, man.
to see.
Let's see.
Let's see. Hold on. I'll FaceTime.
Let's see.
He's probably not gonna pick up.
Nahin.
Hold on.
You see?
See? He's not my best friend no more.
Only when he wants.
Only when he wants me.
Yeah, just for fun. Well, we have a good time, man. Thanks very much to come, man. So, Lucy.
Yes, Joey.
Lucy Ann. What a beautiful name. Tell me, what do you want him to do?
I want you to do a one-headed cartwheel ending in a roundhouse.
Did you hear?
Karate Kid?
No,
Hey,
the
hey, hey.
roundhouse flip.
I can't do that.
Give me what you got.
Wait, wait.
Anything you got.
So what do you want him to do?
A one-handed cartwheel ending in a roundhouse.
I don't know what is that, but I want to see it.
Okay.
All right, let me see.
Anything you got.
That was it? That was
It
it?
was a one-handed cartwheel.
So you say more, right?
That's okay.
That's it?
I asked him to give me what he's got. That's all he's got right now.
This is what you got, man?
That's all I got. Today, that's all I have.
Can you do the flip?
I'm not gonna do the flip.
Come on, you are W pro wrestler, whatever.
I want to see you do a cartwheel.
I can't do that shit, man.
Please do.
My titties will come out.
Oh, damn.
Oh, yeah, all right, so you have to do it. All right, Joey, so we're gonna do
What we doing?
20 squats,
20 squats, 20 push-ups, sprint
20
to the water.
push-ups, sprint in the water.
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay, I got it. Hold up. I got this. It's crazy,
You
boys.
say when.
I say ready? Alright. Ready, set, go. It's too fast? Ándale, muchachos. How was it?
Piece of cake.
How's the water?
The water is cold.
Love
It was
birds.
a competition, so
He beat me.
whew, that was fun. I want to sleep now.
You gonna go sleep? Gonna have beer now? How was it, Joey?
That was so amazing.
Now it's your turn.
My turn for what?
20 squats, 20 push-ups.
I'm gonna start with the nap. I'm gonna do reverse from you guys. I'm gonna nap first.
Alright, that's smart. Still want a pizza? It's a one,
There's only one left.
one slice just for you. Look at this. Woo! I'm coming! I'm coming! Alright, enjoy. Alright, so let's play with the skateboard a little bit on the boardwalk.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Look at you! What? How was?
So much fun.
You get it?
I think I need one.
Well, listen, now you can put it faster. Look, you can press this button here and it's going faster now. Try it now, a little bit.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Wait, so you pressed it more?
It's fun, right? Enjoy it.
Oh God, I'm scared.
It's your turn, bro.
Oh.
Alright, let me see. Let's go. You know how to use it?
No. So I don't ride
I'm
skateboards.
so excited.
I'm gonna bust my
I'm
ass.
so excited how you're gonna film. Alright, let's put it on the lower
Put
speed.
it on the lower.
Yeah. Alright, just take the position there, bro. In the other side. He's going the other side. Yeah.
Look, I can't even get off. I don't skateboard at all.
Alright, let me see.
Yeah.
Come on, put the other leg up.
Huh?
Step on it.
Hold on.
Bro, what do you do?
I get on.
Just like press the brake. And this is the brake.
Oh.
And let's go. Alright. Alright, slowly press speed. Press up. Alright, yeah. Ah, what is this? Like my grandma. Oh my god. Look at my grandma. Alright, turn around, man. Turn around. Turn around. Alright, give me some speed, bro. Oh my god. Alright, give me speed, give me speed, give me speed. Calmate. Give me speed, bro. Come on, accelerate. It's so, oh my god. That's it?
Isn't it so much fun?
It is fun.
Alright.
Wait, Poppy, I don't skateboard.
Alright, give me the remote though. Bye bye. I need the.
But like once you get the hang of it though, I'm like, wait a minute. Wait.
So you guys have fun today? When is the next time?
Whenever you want, Poppy.
When's next time? You tell me.
Maybe next week? Alright guys, see you next week. Boom. See you next week, puppy. Boom.